What comes after Samsung's iPad Pro rivaling Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus? A new high-end Android-powered duo composed of a large Tab S8 model and an even larger Tab S8 Plus variant might feel like a logical answer, but things are not always that simple in the Apple-dominated tablet landscape. The aforementioned 2020 released jumbo-sized powerhouses, for instance, came after a single Galaxy Tab S6 version the year before, which in turn followed in the footsteps of 2018's Tab S4 flagship and a Tab S5e mid-ranger unveiled in early 2019. Then again, it doesn't look like Samsung is planning to skip any numbers this year, as confirmed by the company itself. That's right, the Galaxy Tab S8 name is pretty much etched in stone already, thanks to the tech giant's careless Irish division. Or at least the Galaxy Tab S8 Enterprise Edition moniker seems essentially confirmed, as are the models up to 1TB micro SD storage expansion support and cellular connectivity. Of course, if a business-centric Tab S8 Enterprise Edition exists, it's safe to assume a regular Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 variant is also in the pipeline. The same probably goes for a consumer-friendly Tab S8 Plus model, although Samsung's official support webpage in Ireland features no mention of that label just yet. Given the incredible 2020 growth of the global tablet market in general and Samsung slates in particular, it obviously wouldn't make a lot of sense for the company to reduce the number of Android-based models coming out this year. If anything, we expect the world's largest smartphone manufacturer and second largest tablet vendor to release more iPad alternatives in 2021, including an entirely new family of ultra-affordable devices aimed primarily at emerging European and Asian regions.